Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something super straightforward but essential: how to deposit a check in 2025. With all the digital upgrades and banking apps evolving, depositing a check has never been easier or more convenient. Whether you're a tech-savvy millennial or someone who prefers the old-school way, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First off, the classic method: depositing in person at your bank. Start by endorsing the check. That's just signing the back in the designated area. Then, head to your nearest bank branch during business hours. Hand the check to a teller along with your ID and account details. They'll process it on the spot, and you're done. It's quick and reliable, especially if you have questions. Next up, using an ATM. Most ATMs now support deposits, so find one from your bank to avoid fees. Insert your debit card, enter your PIN, and follow the on-screen prompts. You'll usually need to endorse the check first, then insert it into the slot. Double-check that the ATM displays a confirmation screen before you leave. This method is perfect for when branches are closed. Now, for the modern approach: mobile deposit via your banking app. In 2025, almost every bank has upgraded their apps for seamless deposits. Open your app, log in, and look for the deposit feature. Take clear photos of the front and back of the check. Make sure it's well lit and the endorsement is visible. Follow the prompts to enter the amount and confirm. Most apps will notify you once it's processed, often within minutes. Pro tip: always keep the original check until you're sure the deposit has cleared to avoid any issues. A few key tips to remember: double-check for any errors on the check, like the date or payee name, before depositing. Also, be aware of daily deposit limits on mobile apps, which can vary by bank. And if you're new to this, start with a small amount to get comfortable. There you have it. Depositing a check in 2025 is simple and secure with these methods. Whether you choose in person, ATM, or mobile, you're all set to handle your finances like a pro. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more money-saving tips, and hit that bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.